Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the enchanting process of drawing a mesmerizing mermaid. Picture a mysterious siren gracefully singing under the moonlit sky. Trust me, this is a tutorial you won't want to miss. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more tutorials like these. Get ready to dive into the captivating world of mermaids. To begin, we'll sketch the initial contours of our mermaid. Imagine its form as a harmonious blend of various geometric shapes coming together. These foundational shapes will serve as the building blocks for our masterpiece. At this stage, the mermaid's identity may not be apparent just yet. However, with the addition of its captivating eyes and delicate mouth, its true essence starts to emerge. Now, it's time to infuse our mermaid with a vibrant palette of colors. As we carefully distribute these hues across its body, a mesmerizing transformation unfolds. Picture our mermaid with lustrous, silver tresses cascading down, catching the light with an ethereal shimmer. The graceful curves of its emerald green fins come alive, reflecting the depths of the ocean it calls home. Moving forward, we delve into the art of shading to bring depth and dimension to our masterpiece. Begin by creating a new layer and selecting Blend Mode. Multiply. With the guidance of the light source, carefully apply dark shadows to add richness and realism. Then, hide the sketch layer to illuminate the opposite side using Blend Mode. Screen. Witness the captivating interplay between light and shadow that emerges, showcasing the striking contrast within our artwork. To unveil the mesmerizing color transformation, conceal the dark layer momentarily, allowing the vibrant hues to take center stage. Enhance the visual impact by applying a gradient ramp to the colors, infusing our artwork with a heightened sense of vividness and dynamism. Watch as the mermaid's form comes alive, radiating with an intensified brilliance that captivates the eye. Now, let us bring back the previously concealed dark layer to illuminate the lighter areas, further accentuating the intricate details of our color palette. But our journey towards enhancing the vividness of our mermaid doesn't end here. We must take it a step further by seamlessly blending all the layers we've meticulously created. This process allows us to unveil the intricate details of every body part, from the flowing hair to the supple skin, and from the enchanting tail to the graceful fins. Next, we turn our attention to refining the finer details. With precision and care, we retouch the lines, ensuring that each stroke accentuates the mermaid's unique facial expressions and captures the subtle play of light upon its form. This attention to detail elevates our artwork to new heights, infusing it with a lifelike quality that mesmerizes the viewer. Now, behold our mermaid as it comes alive with a newfound vibrancy, every detail meticulously highlighted to perfection. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey. Subscribe our channel and we hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and we look forward to sharing more captivating creations with you in the future. Until next time.